Find the area of the following trapezium ABCD as given in the figure. A, B, C, D. This is the trapezium. One side is 9 cm, second side is 12 cm, and the distance between them is 7 cm. Solution will be area of trapezium ABCD will be equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So, sum of parallel sides means 12 plus 9 and into the distance between them. Area will be equal to 1 by 2. 9 plus 12, this is the sum of the sides and this is the distance into 7, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 21 into 7. And the final answer is 73.5 centimeter square. This is the answer.